I shot the first take in English, and I gotta tell you, it is making me sweat. It's much harder than in Russian. Stop squeaking. Hi everybody, my name is Viktor. I work at Bulk Carriers, PEI. It's a Canadian Atlantic province, and I heard a couple times that unfortunately my language of my videos are in Russian, and most of the people they like the footage, they like the video itself, but they don't understand nothing. That's for sure. It's not my native language, English, and I will be much more uncomfortable speaking in English, but I know I can, and it's kind of will be benefit to me to practice more. So I'm deciding to do a challenge like that. So I will film both versions in Russian and at the same time in English, and we will see how it goes. If it's gonna be too hard for me, maybe I will drop it, I don't know. But for now, as I think about it more and more, I think it's gonna be beneficial for both parties, for me and for you guys who can watch my videos in English, and for those guys from former Soviet Union who speaks in Russian. Hearing my Russian accent in English, I think they will probably be able to understand more than native English speakers. So let's do that. Let's try that. So it's a first attempt, and it's gonna be messy. Sorry about my English, but I will practice, and I promise you I will be better. So right now I'm at our truck wash at Bulk Carriers, and hooking up to trailer 195-135 and bringing it to Cavendish Farms. It's 40 minutes driving from here. I was told to drop this empty clean at Cavendish Farms. It's our shipper, and hook up to another one trailer over there. It supposedly should be already loaded. Hook it up and bring it to New Jersey, Elizabeth, New Jersey. Company Sifrigo. It's our regular customer, and it's gonna be French fries. So it's our 41-foot marker, and in Atlantic Canada we cannot go any further over there. So it was over there, and I moved it here. It's not, pins are not out yet, so I will just need to pull a bit more forward, and it should be okay. Right after our truck wash there is a road construction, so it's a small tiny traffic jam. Anyway, I'm still hoping that my trailer at Cavendish Farms is gonna be loaded, and just switch the trailer and go on the road. Unfortunate thing that I will not be able to do the COVID test before I leave the island. I got tested maybe 5 days or 6 days ago, something like that, maybe even 1 week. And we're supposed to do testing every week, every 7 days. And I think 17 days is a maximum period between testing. If you don't follow this rule, you'll have to self-isolate once you came back from the trip. While you are waiting your negative COVID test results, you're supposed to self-isolate. You're not able to go home. On my previous trip, I did full 36 hours restart at US. There was no reload from US to Canada, and I was at Sifrigo, the same customer I'm going to, 36 full hours, and only after that I started to next pickup. So I got left 37 hours yesterday on my weekly 70 from my 70 hours weekly, and it's quite a lot, and it's enough to go to US and get back to Canada. and continue in Canada on recap. So that's my plan for now. And one thing I need to follow, that I have to get back to the island, like home, before October 21st, 1 p.m. I have an appointment to a dentist, which we were waiting like for more than a month, so I don't want to blow it up. So it is possible completely if there won't be any like big delays in the reloads. So my delivery appointment at Cifrigo is October 17 at 9 a.m. I will get there late night, October 16, and next morning I will be already empty. That's for sure. So if they will be able to find the reload for me like next day, and preferably through Montreal, I will be at home. I think so. But there is a possibility that something will go wrong and I will get stuck somewhere and I will lose my appointment time. But anyway, I decided to go. I spent one night at home, like 11 hours probably. No, maybe less. But I feel so fresh now. Like I made full 36 hours restart. I'm surprised. Like it's way more refreshing to sleep at home and have a shower than sleep at the truck, even at the truck stop with a shower. Completely two different things. Scavenger farms, they are very picky about the personal protective equipment. You have to have helmet, safety glass, safety vest, and safety shoes as well. Yeah, so unfortunately my load is not loaded, so I will be live loading with that trailer that I have. So opening the doors, they already have a door for me, number 3. It's gonna be long. Usually it takes like about 4 hours. It's already sunset, just leaving. Anyway, I would have to go at least to Woodstock, maybe even further. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. If I feel okay, I will cross the border and drive like about an hour. And I forgot to say that the loading took 3.5 hours. Not so bad, but definitely not good. I wish they let me go like 30 minutes earlier. I would see in the sunset here. This is Shell Woodstock. I already filled, so it's total 600 miles from here to delivery Cifrigo, and it's possible to get there like in one shift tomorrow, but I actually decided to go another 75 miles, so just to make some spare room for tomorrow driving, and driving not in a rush. So yeah, another hour and a half driving and sleep at the midway rest area. It is 10 a.m. already, so I'm gonna get started soon. I'm planning to stop by at Walmart, New Hampshire, and maybe for a shower somewhere, and then late evening today I will be at my receiver. It's gonna be snowy soon and wet, so I need to buy shoes. The one which easy to get in and out, like convenient for the truck, because you have to frequently take on and off the shoes. So I'm thinking about these ones. It's only $17, no extra taxes because it's New Hampshire. Oops. So it's a good option. I bought already 2 of them last year. I lost them, left them on the stair outside the truck and drive away and lost them on the road. It's only 10 p.m. I'm already at the receiver, checked in and got the door already. Awesome. This time they work at night, I don't know why, only till 3 a.m. So before I came here and they work since 6 a.m. and didn't work through the night. I don't know why. So anyway, I'm on the door. Once empty, I will park here, relax and sleep, and hoping that tomorrow I will get the load back to Canada. Today I sent a text message to Arsh just to remind that I will be empty tomorrow morning, ready to go, and please give me something, preferably through Montreal, so it will be quicker. Please get me home till October 21st. That's what I sent him. He said okay, but it's just the word okay. We'll see how it goes tomorrow morning. It's 9:30 in the morning, so I got the load, and it's like 2 hours driving from here, also in New Jersey, close to Atlantic City. And the load goes to Ontario 1. I didn't film anything, I was in a quiet rush. I renewed the coating on my windshield, Rain X coating, like anti-water repellent. It helps a lot, and it was a nightmare driving yesterday through the rain without it. And I also need to sweep my trailer like really fast, not too much clean, but so anybody won't bother about it. So it's only 2 minutes left for pre-trip and I'm ready to go. Artur recommended me this stuff. It works great, like awesome. I love it. It's pretty easy to use, and this bottle like $10. Easy. I have already checked in, and this is how their dogs look like. It's only 7 pallets. I didn't even know. My load offer says it's full load. 2 load bars. I think that's enough. 18, 11 a.m. I'm like 40 minutes away from Buffalo, from the border to Canada, and I was not able to cross yesterday because of the parts. It wasn't ready. So even though I called them to the broker and asked them to force it, they promised me they will do it, but no. So when I came here last night, I had like hour and a half of shift remaining, and parts usually get processed at least 2 hours. So when I realized that it's not in the system yet, there was no point to wait. I came to the pilot or flying jet, I'm not sure. Parked overnight. In the morning, it was still not in the system. I called them again, and this time somebody like probably I got to somebody useful promised me to do that, and like in 20 minutes the parts was already in the system. But anyway, Canada border, like they took about hour and a half to process it, and I just got the message from my dispatch that parts is ready to cross. So I'm like 3 hours away from the delivery, maybe less, and delivery appointment is only tomorrow at 5 a.m. So I'm hoping that I will be able to get to Mississauga, somewhere there, drop my trailer, get something from there and continue going, or I will have to do that delivery tomorrow morning. That means I will have to stay at consignee for like at least 12 hours. We will see. So there is no loads from here, from Ontario for today, and the dispatcher told me that I will have to do my delivery tomorrow morning. I got almost full day here in Toronto. Right now I'm parked at Mississauga, somewhere near Walmart, and I will go for a walk to a park. Then I will go to the truck stop at Mississauga, take a shower there, and for overnight parking I will go to Costco for my delivery. And tomorrow morning I will have full shift and ready to work. That's the plan. Второй раз не получилось, сил нет. Сейчас. Trans, Prince Edward Island. First time I see such company. I'm already at Flying J at Mississauga. I've parked on reserved space, but I'm not gonna spend the night here, so I don't have to pay. Just waiting for my line in the shower, and then I will leave. It is almost 7 a.m. I'm at Costco, already got the door, and it's already a red light, so they are starting right now. Usually it's really fast unloading here, so I'm gonna call to the office right now and ask them if they have something for me. Usually I don't call to the office, I just wait for the message to come, but this time I need to tell all the info for another dispatcher. We have like different dispatchers working to different directions and from different directions. So from Ontario it's a completely different dispatch, and I told him that I need to get home before October 21st, if it's possible. He told me they have a lot for me today, so I'll be okay.
Perfect.
I'm empty, and I got the load info. It's from Canadian Tire, here like 20 minutes driving, and goes to Charlottetown. Somewhere here I have to find my trailer. It's not gonna be a bulk trailer. I think it's a can, the orange one. 817053. Okay. I was told it on ENG. Our trailer, but not mine. Whoop. Containers. It was pretty tricky to get this one over there. And this one is lower, but it's broken. There's no clip. Last one in the place. Good to go. This is Shell again, Edmundston. It's 8 a.m. and I'm like 6, maybe 7 hours away from the island. And if everything goes well, I will do the testing on the entrance. So I will be free for tomorrow. On my right side, one plucker is ripping off. I have a spare one. I made a second layer. It's not so pretty, but it's okay. Dangerous goods. When you cross the bridge, you have to call. This is the exit of 47, and you have to go in there. There is a phone, you just pick it up and direct connection to the bridge, and you have to give them your information, or dispatch can give them in advance, information about you, about your the lot, and they will let you know when you're good to cross. So right now he said that somebody is crossing right now with the dangerous goods, and after him I will go. He will tell me in the loudspeaker. It's 2 p.m. I'm already on the island. Just got tested, so it's good. And the only thing, my appointment to dentist was rescheduled for day after tomorrow, not tomorrow. They said they need my result before I can come to them. I mean the result for the COVID testing. So today I get tested, and tomorrow will be result. Should be. It's usually like that, only one day. So day after tomorrow at 10 a.m. I'm going to dentist. Anyway, it's okay, not bad, because I will have full day tomorrow to do what I plan to do with my car. I hope to film that, and I think that's it. This trip is done. My first vlog in English officially done. Yep.